I'm James Peters, Product Manager at Nureva, and today I'll walk you through how to install the HDX microphone port on a ceiling. Microphone ports can be mounted either on the ceiling or on the wall and supports standard VESA mounting for compatibility with portable stands and ceiling mounts. For how to mount on the wall or with a VESA mount, check out our other videos. Before getting started, review the HDX user guide for placement recommendations. This will help you choose the ideal mounting locations for all the HDX system components in your room. The microphone port comes with a mounting bracket for use on a ceiling or wall, T-bar clips, screws, and washers specific to ceiling mounted installation. For more information on the required tools for installation, refer to the HDX user guide. When mounting a microphone port on the ceiling, a good target height from the floor is between 8 and 12 feet or roughly 2.4 to 3.7 meters. If the ceiling is higher, using an extendable VESA compatible mount can help bring the port down into a more optimal range. It's also a good idea to keep the microphone ports at least 5 feet or 1.5 meters away from other microphone ports or audio bars to maintain consistent audio coverage. And for the best sound quality, try to avoid placing the pods near vents, fans, or other sources of continuous background noise. Start by attaching the T-bar clips to the mounting bracket. Insert the 2 screws into the side holes of each T-bar clip, making sure they are positioned on the same side as the center post. Do not fully tighten them yet, as final tightening will be done once the mounting bracket is secured on the ceiling. Place the wave washer onto the center of the T-bar clip standoff. Position the mounting bracket over the clip and tighten the screw through the mounting bracket, securing the clip in place. Position a ladder under the ceiling mount location, then lift the ceiling tiles to gain full access to the T-bar rail. Holding the mounting bracket in place, align each T-bar clip and rotate it until the clips hook securely over both edges of the T-bar. Once both clips are engaged, tighten the screws on each clip to lock the mounting bracket firmly in place. Next, run the Ethernet cable. Route the cable through the ceiling and down through the center opening of the mounting bracket. This keeps the cable fully hidden once the microphone port is installed. Remember to plug the Ethernet cable into the port on the back of the microphone port before securing it into the ceiling. For additional security, you can attach a security wire or tether through a small hole in the metal frame and secure it in the ceiling. Using both hands, align the wider sections of the keyholes on the back of the microphone port with the mounting pegs. Press the port up onto the bracket and then slide the microphone port in the direction of the Nureva logo to secure it in place. Repeat the same steps for each microphone port in your setup. Also, check out our other installation videos for guidance on mounting other HDX components. To explore all the features of your Nureva HDX system, be sure to check out our user guide.